India may grow more bananas than any other country in the world, but Indonesia has discovered something even more valuable: the hidden potential of banana leaves. While most people only associate banana leaves with serving food at traditional events, Indonesia has built a massive industry around them, generating millions and potentially billions of dollars in revenue. Every day, truckloads of fresh banana leaves arrive at enormous processing factories, where they are transformed into products that most people would never guess came from a simple leaf. The process begins in banana plantations. Since a banana plant produces fruit only once in its lifetime, the leaves and stalks were traditionally left behind to rot after harvest. But in Indonesia, farmers now separate and collect the large leaves after the bananas are harvested. Many factories have direct contracts with growers, and local agents purchase the leaves before transporting them to factories as quickly as possible to preserve their freshness. Once inside the factory, the leaves first enter huge washing units, where dirt, dust, insects, and agricultural chemicals are thoroughly removed. After cleaning, conveyor belts move the leaves to sorting stations, where workers and machines separate them by quality. Premium-grade leaves are large, wide, and free from tears, while lower-grade leaves may be smaller or slightly damaged. From here, the leaves follow two different production paths. On one side of the factory, the leaves are chopped into small pieces using industrial cutting machines capable of processing thousands of kilograms every day. These pieces are then sent to giant grinding machines, where water is added and the leaves are crushed into a thick green paste. The paste is refined, excess water is removed, and laboratory teams carefully test its consistency and fiber content. Next comes one of the most surprising stages. The concentrated paste is poured into molds and compressed under high pressure, causing the natural fibers to bind together and form solid banana leaf tablets. These tablets are then slowly dried in temperature-controlled chambers to prevent cracking and ensure proper moisture levels. Depending on the product, this drying process can take anywhere from several hours to several days. But what are these tablets used for? They serve as a highly efficient raw material that can be transported much more easily than fresh leaves. Manufacturers can simply rehydrate the tablets whenever they need to create new paste. These materials are used in cosmetics, herbal products, and other environmentally friendly industries. Meanwhile, on the other side of the factory, selected banana leaves are cut into precise sizes and softened using steam and heat. The softened leaves are then placed into molding machines equipped with steel molds shaped like plates, bowls, and trays. Under intense heat and pressure, the natural fibers inside the leaves bond together and permanently take on their new shape. Within seconds, a biodegradable banana leaf plate is created. However, the process is not finished yet. The newly formed plates still contain moisture, so they are transferred to drying chambers where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to prevent warping, cracking, or water retention. Once dried, every plate undergoes strict quality inspections. Workers check for cracks, weak spots, and uneven edges. Any defective products are removed and often recycled back into the manufacturing process. Approved plates are then cleaned, sanitized, counted, bundled, and packaged before being shipped to hotels, restaurants, catering companies, retailers, and international markets around the world. What makes this industry truly remarkable is that it transforms agricultural waste into valuable products while helping reduce plastic pollution. Something that was once discarded in banana fields is now being turned into sustainable tableware, industrial materials, and eco-friendly products used across the globe. The next time you see a banana leaf, remember that it may be much more than a simple plant. It could be the foundation of an entire industry worth millions of dollars.